Most car owners throw money away at dealerships, paying hundreds for basic cleaning that takes minutes at home. Dealers hide these simple tricks that cost pocket change while billing premium prices. One of these secrets could save you $1,800 in detailing costs. Before you blow another paycheck at the detail shop, here are 17 car cleaning hacks dealers pray you never discover. Stay with me, this will save you serious cash. Let's jump into hack number 17. Hack number 17, nail polish remover melts tree sap. Imagine this, you parked under the perfect shady tree and now your hood looks like a sticky mess of sap that's basically super glued on. Feels like tree revenge. Honestly, most drivers either ignore it forever or pay the dealer $70 for their specialty adhesive treatment. Here's the truth dealers hide. Basic nail polish remover, the acetone type, destroys tree sap instantly, but there's a method everyone gets wrong. You can't attack it like you're taking off nail polish from last month. Grab a cotton ball, soak it with acetone nail polish remover, press it onto the sap, no rubbing yet. Give it 30 seconds to dissolve those sticky bonds. Then wipe gently in one smooth direction. The sap basically melts off without ever touching your paint. Don't forget this step. Rinse immediately with soapy water. Acetone is powerful. You don't want it hanging around on your paint job. Any car soap works, even Dawn from your kitchen. The reality check? Dealers use fancy labeled solvents that are basically overpriced acetone. They dab, let it work, wipe clean, rinse, then invoice you $70 calling it professional grade treatment. Your $3 bottle of remover tackles 100 sap spots easy. You just pocketed serious cash. Hold on though, this next trick is even more ridiculous. Hack number 16, cleaning slime. Gets every crevice. Think about those impossible spots in your car, the tiny gaps around your shifter, deep inside air vents between seat rails, around buttons that haven't seen daylight since flip phones were cool. Crumbs and dust basically set up camp there permanently. No vacuum tool can reach these spots. This is where dealers make bank. They bill you $80 for detailed interior cleaning, and honestly, half their time goes to these exact areas using something that costs $3 at Walmart. I'm talking about that squishy cleaning gel, that slime stuff. Cleaning putty, whatever marketers call it this week, squish it into every tight space around your console, vents, buttons, and cup holder edges. The gel perfectly fills each tiny gap, and its tacky surface grabs dust, crumbs, and that mystery gunk that appears from nowhere. Pull it off slowly and watch all that junk come with it. Honestly, it's stupidly satisfying, like peeling dried glue off your hands in elementary school. Here's the kicker. One jar lasts literally months. Just fold it to expose a clean section and keep going until it's completely filthy. Dealers buy this in bulk containers for pennies per use. They're just smart enough not to mention it because, hey, $80 is $80. You've cracked the code now. But honestly, this next trick makes that look complicated. Hack number 15. Coffee filters make dashboards spotless. Your dashboard attracts more dust than an abandoned warehouse. Every attempt to clean it with a normal rag either just pushes dust around like you're rearranging it or leaves behind fuzz that's somehow worse than the dust. Maddening, honestly. Here's what professional detailers figured out ages ago and kept quiet. Regular coffee filters are the ultimate dust weapon. Yeah, those cheap paper things next to your coffee maker that's probably overdue for cleaning. They're totally lint-free, have perfect texture, and dust sticks to them like they're magnetic. Simply wipe your dash, console, and door trim with a dry coffee filter. The dust actually clings to the paper instead of floating around or leaving streaks everywhere. Pro move incoming. Add a drop of olive oil to the filter. Tiny amount. This isn't pasta night. It leaves a natural, subtle shine that actually prevents dust from settling for weeks. Less cleaning for you. Dealers bill $35 just for interior dusting during their detail service. They're literally grabbing a penny coffee filter from their break area and charging you 3,500% markup. Think about that for a second. This next one seems way too basic to actually work, but trust me. Hack number 14, the baking soda wheel nuke. Your wheels endure more abuse than any part of your ride. Brake dust, tar, road salt, mystery grime. It all bakes on there until your rims look like they went through combat. Those fancy wheel cleaners run $18 a bottle, and honestly, most barely work. Here's the nuclear-grade solution dealers never mention. Half-cup baking soda, tablespoon of Dawn, 2 cups warm water. Mix until it's paste-like. Coat your wheels and watch years of caked-on filth wave the white flag. The chemistry is perfect. Baking soda provides gentle scrubbing power that won't scratch, while Dawn demolishes grease and brake dust effortlessly. Combined, they create this cleaning reaction that beats those expensive purple cleaners. Let it work for 2 minutes, scrub with any wheel brush, rinse clean. Your wheels look dealership fresh. That fancy detail shop charging $85 for wheel service? They're using the same mix, maybe tossing in purple dye for show. Speaking of secrets, your air vents probably haven't been touched since Y2K was a thing. Hack number 13, dollar store paintbrush vent cleaning. Car vents are basically dust hotels, and trying to clean them with cloth is like performing surgery with mittens on. You just push dirt deeper inside rather than removing anything. The insider secret? A basic foam paintbrush from Dollar Tree. Seriously, that's the whole trick. The bristles fit perfectly between vent slats and pull out years of accumulated grossness. Take your time here. Brush each vent slot carefully, getting deep between the fins. Keep your vacuum ready to catch falling dust. For next level clean, mist the brush with interior spray and go again. Factory fresh vents. The joke is dealers charge $35 for this during their platinum interior package. They're wielding the same dollar brush you can grab anywhere. They keep quiet because professional mystique pays bills. Your vents are pristine now, but pay attention to this next money-saving tip. Hack number 12, that hidden fuel cap holder. Not really a cleaning trick, but this prevents a wallet-destroying repair nightmare. Listen up. Next time you're pumping gas, actually examine your fuel door interior. Notice that plastic hook or notch. That's not random. It's specifically engineered to hold your gas cap during fill-ups, yet 90% of drivers never use it. They let caps dangle, scratching paint, balance them on the roof where they roll away, or worse, rest them on filthy pumps collecting contamination like souvenirs. Why this matters. Dirty fuel caps introduce grime into your fuel system with every use. This causes clogged injectors, ruins fuel pumps, triggers engine problems. We're talking $2,800 minimum in repairs because you skipped a 1-second habit. Just hook the cap. Simple. Protects your paint, keeps fuel system clean, saves you thousands. You're welcome. Now for a window trick that actually delivers, unlike those viral myths. Hack number 11, the vinegar glass magic. Your windshield faces everything. Bug graveyards, road film, pollen attacks, bird presence from above. Those fancy glass cleaners cost $9 and still leave streaks. Here's what professionals have used since forever. Plain white vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in any spray bottle. Nothing fancy, just the basic vinegar from the grocery aisle. Spray your glass and wipe using newspaper, not paper towels. They shed lint. Newspaper, like when people actually read physical papers. The acid in vinegar cuts through gunk and spots while drying fast enough to prevent streaking. Same science as premium cleaners, except your whole bottle costs 50 cents. Works better than that blue stuff anyway. Dealers have done this for decades, then charge for crystal clear glass service. They literally add blue coloring for effect. This entire industry runs on simple tricks. Now you know them. Your glass is perfect, but what about that funky smell that's taken up residence? Hack number 10, baking soda smell eliminator. Bad car odors aren't just embarrassing when passengers enter. Whether it's ancient fast food, wet pet smell, gym gear funk, or mysteries you'd rather not identify, odors embed deep in fabrics like they're paying rent. Dealerships charge $180 for ozone treatment odor elimination using space-age machines. The real secret? Baking soda accomplishes the identical result for $1. Coat your seats, carpets, and mats generously with baking soda. Go heavy. Like a bakery floor, let it work overnight, or better, 24 hours if possible. Baking soda doesn't mask odors. It literally pulls odor molecules from fabric at the chemical level. Vacuum thoroughly and your car smells like nothing. Perfect. Costs $1 and outperforms any fancy treatment or air freshener. Dealers know this. They just prefer billing you 180 times more. Quick favor before we hit the really wild stuff. Smash that like button and comment which trick blew your mind so far. Seriously, your feedback helps us create better content. Cool? Let's dive into something that sounds bizarre but works incredibly. Hack number 9, wet dryer sheets destroy bugs. Road trips mean one thing: bug massacre across your bumper, hood, and windshield. Those tiny kamikaze insects aren't just nasty, They're acidic and actually eat into clear coat if ignored. Most people scrub hard with sponges, achieving nothing. Others buy special bug sprays that barely help. The professional secret? A damp dryer sheet. Grab any dryer sheet, dampen with water, gently rub over bug remains. The sheet's texture plus leftover fabric softener dissolves bug guts without harming paint. They basically disappear on contact. Best part? This handles month-old, baked-on bugs. Dealers do this constantly on used cars before display. They just don't advertise the stupid simplicity because profit margins matter. Now you're doing it yourself in minutes with laundry supplies. This next one tackles stains everyone considers permanent. Hack number 8, shaving cream carpet miracle. Interior carpet stains are brutal. Coffee disasters, soda explosions, mud, kid mysteries you'd rather not investigate. They soak deep into fibers looking permanent. Retailers want $190 for deep extraction carpet cleaning. The bathroom secret that works? Basic foam shaving cream, not gel. The traditional foam your grandfather used. Coat the stain with shaving cream. Let it sit 30 minutes while surfactants attack the stain molecularly. Scrub with any brush and watch the foam pull stains from carpet fibers. Blot using damp towel, then dry towel. Stain vanishes completely. Why does this work? Shaving cream contains identical active ingredients to professional upholstery cleaners. Surfactants, cleaners, foam stabilizers. You're basically using fancy carpet cleaner that happens to work on faces. Total investment? $2 for a can handling dozens of stains. That detailer wanted $190 for identical results. They label it proprietary enzyme extraction. Now you're the expert. This next solution handles every used car owner's nightmare. Hack number 7, WD-40 sticker eraser. You scored a used car. It's great except for that ancient bumper sticker supporting some candidate from 3 elections ago, or those stick figures that look like crime scene markers, or some band nobody remembers. Skip picking with fingernails like a caveman. Forget razor blades. Hello, scratches. Here's the dealer move. WD-40, basically the Swiss Army knife of automotive. Saturate the entire sticker and let it penetrate 3 to 5 minutes. The solvent destroys adhesive without touching clear coat. After soaking, the whole sticker slides off clean. Zero scraping needed. Leftover sticky residue? More WD-40? Wait a minute. Wipe using microfiber. Your bumper looks showroom new, like that embarrassing sticker never existed. Body shops want $60 for professional decal extraction because people don't know this exists. They're spraying $3 of WD-40, calling it specialized. You're doing it yourself in minutes. Ready for more? This next one literally saves you in emergencies. Hack number 6, hand sanitizer lock de-icer. Okay, more winter emergency than cleaning, but too valuable to skip. It's freezing January, your lock is frozen solid, you're late, standing there blowing warm breath on keys like some ritual. Here's what emergency services know but charge $90 to perform. Hand sanitizer, apply generous gel sanitizer to your key. Insert into frozen lock, wiggle carefully. Ice melts instantly. The alcohol freezes way below water temperature, cutting ice immediately while gel clings to your key. Stash a travel bottle in your pocket all winter. While others frantically call for rescue, you're unlocking in seconds looking brilliant. Locksmiths want $90 for emergency calls. You solved it with dollar store sanitizer. That's knowledge dealers hide because emergencies profit. Ready for something shocking? Hack number 5, water squeegee pet hair magic. Dog owners know the struggle. Pet fur everywhere, woven into seats, embedded in carpets, floating like tumbleweeds. Vacuuming barely helps. Lint rollers are comedy that grab surface hair only. The groomer trick detailers copied. Window squeegee plus water. Mist seats lightly with water. Barely damp, not soaked. Run a rubber squeegee across fabric. The blade plus moisture creates static pulling embedded fur from deep fibers. It balls up for easy grabbing. It's so effective it feels illegal. You'll remove more fur in 2 minutes than 20 minutes vacuuming. I mean, fur that's been there since your dog was tiny. Detailers charge $70 for professional pet hair extraction. This is literally their method. Spray, squeegee, collect, act complex. Cost you? Maybe $5 for a squeegee. Hundreds saved forever. This next technique will revolutionize steering wheel cleaning. Hack number 4, Magic Eraser Grime Destroyer. Your steering wheel is genuinely the nastiest thing you touch daily. Hand oils, sweat, food residue, lotions, everything transfers there. Eventually, it feels sticky gross that won't clean normally. The detailer weapon on every vehicle? Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Dampen slightly, not dripping. Gently scrub your wheel, watching years of nastiness vanish instantly. It's oddly satisfying, like those viral cleaning videos, but real. The eraser's micro-abrasives lift embedded gunk without harming materials. Works on leather, vinyl, plastic, everything. Your wheel transforms from health hazard to showroom in 3 minutes. Rinse the eraser while working. For leather, follow with leather conditioner. Dealers want $25 just for steering wheel cleaning. You did it for quarters using kitchen supplies. This whole industry depends on your ignorance, not anymore. Your car's looking sharp. Let's hit those floor mats. Hack number 3, floor mat restoration. Floor mats suffer more than rental cars at spring break. Salt, mud, spills, mystery liquids, everything lands there. Rubber mats especially turn crusty and faded. People either buy new ones for $140 or accept the nastiness. Detailers fix this in minutes for nothing. Remove mats, hose them down, spray with dish soap water. Scrub using whatever brush, even toothbrushes work. Rinse well, sun dry. The professional finish? After drying, apply tire shine or rubber protectant. Restores that deep black, adds UV protection. Mats look brand new. Total cost? $2 soap and protectant. New mats run $140. Detailers charge $45 just cleaning yours. You handled it during a phone call. Dealers maximize service profits, not your savings. Knowing the difference saves thousands long term. This next one's embarrassingly obvious. Hack number 2, cupcake liner cup holder hack. Cup holders are designed by engineers who hate you. Sticky residue, coffee rings, mysterious gunk, coins covered in something. Everything settles in unreachable bottoms. The genius solution making this disappear? Silicone cupcake liners, drop 1 per cup holder, done. When dirty, remove, rinse in sink, replace. Your actual holders stay perfect forever. It's a why didn't manufacturers think of this moment. Costs $5 for reusable liners, saves hours fighting those torture devices. Detailers use these personally while charging customers $25 for manual cup holder detailing. The irony kills me. They know the fix, use it themselves, don't share, because cleaning cup holders bills time. Now, you're insider too, never fighting gross holders again. Get ready for the ultimate hack. Hack number 1, the ultimate DIY car wash formula. Forget those $18 bottles of car soap with ridiculous marketing claims. Here's what dealers and detailers actually use behind closed doors. Quarter cup washing soda, not baking soda, washing soda from the laundry section. Quarter cup dish soap, gallon of hot water, mix thoroughly, done. Washing soda softens water, preventing spots, especially with hard water. Dish soap cuts through road film, bugs, grease, everything. Together, they foam better than 90% of specialty soaps. Wash using microfiber mitts. Rinse completely. Your car will shine like never before. You made a gallon of professional-grade wash for 40 cents. Detailers use this exact formula, rebottle it fancy, charge $18. You're paying for packaging, not performance. This foundation makes every other hack easier. Clean cars maintain easier. If this video saved you hundreds or exposed how much you've been scammed, hit like and comment which hack you're trying immediately. I read everything and it shapes future videos. Before leaving, want to discover maintenance lies costing you thousands? The fake services dealers push that you absolutely don't need? I've exposed everything in this video right here. Watch before your next service. Your bank account will appreciate it. Remember, knowledge equals savings. Subscribe and never get scammed again. See you next time.